How to fix iPhone overheating. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone is getting warm or even too hot, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we've got a full guide packed with simple tips and tricks to help you figure out why it happens and how to fix it. Let's start with something a lot of users overlook: your phone case. If you're using a third-party case, especially a thick or rubber one, it might be trapping heat. Try removing the case and see if it helps. Now, your iPhone can get warm if you're streaming videos for a long time, playing heavy games, or using it under direct sunlight. Also, after setting up your iPhone or installing a new update, the system might take a couple of days to finish all background processes. During that time, a little heat is normal. Here's something not many people know. iPhones are designed to work best between 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. Anything outside that range might cause overheating. Now, let's move on to how you can cool things down. First, avoid using your iPhone while charging. It puts extra pressure on the processor and heats things up quickly. Second, always use Apple-certified MFI charging cables and adapters. Cheap third-party fast chargers might seem convenient, but they often cause temperature spikes. Next up, clear background apps. Double-tap the home button or swipe up and close any apps you're not using. They can keep running and heating up your device. If your phone is struggling to connect to the network and constantly searching, it can overheat. Just turn on airplane mode for a few minutes to give it a break. Also, if you're using your iPhone as a hotspot, that can generate a lot of heat. Turn it off when not needed. Now let's adjust a couple of settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Display and Brightness. Lower the brightness or turn on Auto Brightness. Also, shorten the auto lock time to reduce screen usage. Then go to Settings, scroll down a little, and tap on General. Scroll down a little, then go to Background App Refresh. Set it to Wi-Fi only, or manually disable apps that don't need to be updating constantly. And finally, remember this: a little warmth during charging or heavy use is totally normal. But if it's heating up too much or too often, these tips should help cool things down. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.